So what's poppin', guys? Back with another banger. I just want to tell you that I'm looking for the Kleenex from my mom because she has a running nose. But seriously, Mia she just named the 666 sound. And I don't know what that was. And so just please comment down below and see what that 666 sound was, because I don't even know what that was. It was like, yeah, so that sound that Mia just made was like, and I was like, Mia, did you just make a strange sound? Because she wanted out. And so, yeah, like I was saying last night, I'm going to show you the truck in the morning. Like it is already morning. Oof! And so I'm just going to tell you, I'm going to show you the truck in the daylight time. Well, I'm just going to tell you right now. I'm just going to tell you. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Hey!
Huh?
What did your mama tell you to do?
I'm trying to find a Kleenex. I am. Well, okay, guys. I'm just going to tell you about the strange sound that Mia made. And so, yeah, and so, anyways, I'm going to end this video for now. Peace.